Hello. So right now, we're gonna shake up this soda. Well, I did do a seven up one time, but I didn't catch on video. But this one isn't as good. But we're still gonna throw it. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna shake it up some more, and then I'm gonna throw it over there. Shake and bacon. Okay. All right, I'm ready. I'm gonna shake it 5 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Holy crap! It's spraying! Oh my gosh! It's spraying it out! Yeah! Oh my gosh! It's all spraying it out! Let's see this! Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy crap! It's spraying up! Holy! Holy moly, guacamole! Throw it at the fence! Okay, that's good enough, Pop. Alright, let's do it! Oh my gosh! Look at all that! Oh my goodness, and there's still a lot of pop in it. Shaking! Shaking! Oh, that's about it. Think. Where's the hole? Let's shake it up some more. Really shaking it? Oh, it's never gonna work. Let's hit it against something really hard. Something really hard. Crud. I don't think that did. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, my phone. No! Okay. Now this pop just got burned like a boss.